Installation video of 52-inch flush mount ceiling fan. Check with the list of accessories in the manual to make sure they are complete. Let's start. Please read these precautions carefully before installation. Disconnect the power supply by turning off the circuit breaker. Use 4 screws to secure provided addlon ceiling bracket. Align all 4 screw holes in both the top housing and the canopy. Install 3 screws. Tighten them all to ensure the stability. Hang the motor to ceiling for wiring. Warning: wiring must be in local and national electric code, NEC standards, and ANSI/NFPA 70. If you are unfamiliar with wiring or in doubt, consult a qualified electrician. White wire, connect to the neutral. Black wire, connect to the live. Green wire, connect to the ground. Plug the wire connectors tight, making sure that wires of the same color are connected. Put the controller in and organize the wires. Unscrew 2 screws on each side. Align the screw on the bracket with L-shaped slot hook in the canopy. Slightly rotate the body to make it in position. Install the 2 screws and tighten all 4 screws on 4 sides. Install spacers on all short screws. Blades available in 2 colors. Choose one you like. This installation will use brown wood grain as an example. Please make sure that the engraved surface of the connector faces the ceiling. Install the blade with 2 screws for each. Install 5 blades and tighten all 10 screws to ensure the stability. Unscrew one of screws for future use. Align the screws with the slots. Gently rotate the panel to make it in place. Install 1 screw and tighten all 3 screws. Plug the wire connector tight. Toggle the switch to adjust to the fixed color temperature you want. Attach the light cover to the light kit by twisting it clockwise until it snaps into place.